If your Excel workbook has sheet names like sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3, it can get confusing fast. I will show you how to rename your sheet and move them into the right order. Look at the bottom of the Excel window. These are sheet tabs. To rename a sheet, double-click the sheet tab. Now, type the new name. I will type Summary. Then press Enter. The sheet name is now changed from Sheet 1 to Summary. You can also rename a sheet from the right-click menu. Right-click the Sheet tab and click Rename. Type the new name. I will use January Budget. Press Enter to save the name. Now, let's move a sheet. This helps you organize your workbook in a better order. Click and hold the sheet tab you want to move. Drag it left or right. In the example, I want to move a sheet named Summary to the first sheet, so I drag it left. Excel shows a small arrow to tell you where the sheet will be placed. When it's in the right place, release the mouse. Excel now moves the sheet named Summary to the first place. There is another way to move a sheet if you want more control. Right-click the Sheet tab, then click Move or Copy. In this box, choose where you want the sheet go. You can choose the current workbook or move the sheet to a new workbook. In the example, I want to move the summary sheet in the current workbook, so I choose the current workbook. And if I want to move the summary sheet to the end, I click Move to End. But if I want to move the summary sheet to the first sheet of the Excel workbook, I click the first sheet here, January Budget. Then click OK. Excel moves the sheet to that position, which is the first worksheet of the workbook. One quick tip: sheet names cannot use some special character like slash, question mark, colon, or bracket. So instead of using slash in a date, use dash. Also, remember to press Enter after typing the new name. That makes sure Excel keep the change. Quick recap: double-click a sheet tab to rename it. Right-click the tab for more options, and drag the sheet tab to move it into a new position. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist, or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.